All right, so I got this question from someone in the comments who asked, if the beard does not connect, if it doesn't connect, is it considered a beard? And the answer to that question is yes, it is considered a beard. There's a massive amount of beards. They're all different. They come in all sizes and shapes. And so no matter what your beard look like, it is a beard. So we want everyone to embrace their beard, embrace the journey that they're on. And it's very important, no matter what your beard looks like, that you care for it the right way and you be consistent with caring for it in the right way. So don't let anyone else, or no one for that matter, tell you that because your beard doesn't connect, it's not qualified as a beard. I don't know who came up with these rules or who came up with that rule, but that's not the rule that I live by, and that's not the rule that you should live by either. So the main thing is appreciate what you have, continue to improve what you have, love what you have, embrace what you have. This your boy B, because no matter what, to me, you still Beard Squad. Chin up, Beard Squad.